I'm really confused as to why this keeps stopping. Keep stabbing first.
Fail. You had like, we just need to tell Julia's epic fail.
No, that's broken her.
I know, I don't want to drop it.
Don't drop it. Just put her in. I don't know, you broke this as a kid.
I'm telling you, put a little bit of oil in there. A little bit, not a lot.
I'm taking cookie advice from you.
I'm just telling you from
Once, when I was trying to cook on Christmas, I tried to cook hard-boiled eggs. Like, I tried to crack a hard-boiled egg. Because I didn't know it was hard-boiled. This isn't working out. It's spreading. Oh, no.
It'll work. It'll work. It'll work. It'll work. Don't touch it. It's fine. No, it looks good. Looks good. Trust me, it looks good.
Too big.
You're like Julia. Oh, no, you can't like Julia. Too big. Too big. Too big.
Oh, well. Too much butter. I need 32%.
Oh, there is not too much. Oh, you salt them? And pepper them?
Nope, it's pretend, actually.
I didn't. Well, I thought I wait till mine are done.
How do you cook them? Taste better. Let's consolidate.
Fit.
Much better.
That's too good. That looks good. What is this movie supposed to be about?
Aliens. I think it really is.
About what?
It's supposed to be about aliens. Oh, this is off. That explains why it's not cooking very well.
Well, I'm...
No! No!
Wait, that was off?
Yeah.
I was like, this cooking kind of slow. And this is... I was trying to figure... I'm confused why there are lions eating deer and it's New York. Because it's gonna damn...
We'll restart it, but not right now. What's that sound?
It's on the show.
No.
It's not.
That's annoying. I can't flip it.
I don't think you're supposed to flip it.
Yeah, you are.
That's probably my problem.
My grandpa's a professional chef. Well, he's retired now, but that's what he did.
Obviously,
So,
that was
theoretically, I should be good at this.